Catherine Kyra Dizon Alanday, or our Ate Kyra, Attorney Victor De Jos, our founding head directress, Ms. Magdalena Dumlao, our school principal, Sir Edgar, beloved teachers, my dear fellow BLCians, parents, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant evening to all of you. It all starts in one welcome and ends in millions of goodbyes. Maybe everybody is wondering what is the meaning of that phrase. But before we deal into that phrase, let me just express my gratitude to very special people who put me where I am now. My parents and relatives who guide and teach me to become strong and confident. They always tell me that in everything I do, there is always a reward. I'm not referring to material things that we get as our rewards, but to what we become as our reward. How we are going to fare in the next stage of our life. Thank you, Mommy Bennett and Daddy Romeo, for loving me and for sacrificing so many things for me. No matter how far the distance between us, I still feel your love. You choose to work abroad and to be away from me, just to give me a better life. Distance is not a problem. I still feel your love even you are not beside me, physically. Thank you, Mama Gigi and Papa Ding, for being my guardian while my parents are away, for taking care of me, and for being the shadow of my parents for a while. You two are my fairy godparents, and I'm your Cinderella. Thank you, my dear teachers, who dedicated your time in order for us to learn. Penalty was never a part of your vocabulary. You're always here to motivate and guide us. Thank you to our class advisor, Sir Mariano Medina Jr. Thank you, Teacher Janet Casimiro and Sir Joven Villanueva, for reviewing me every exam and for helping me to grasp the lessons that I cannot understand. To my dear classmates, who taught me the true meaning of friendship, friends to whom I share and discuss my thoughts and dreams, true friends who I can rely on, a lasting friendship, knowing that whatever happens, they will always be there for me. And to my best friends, Aliyah and Elisha, whom I can be crazy with all the times, thank you. I'm thankful and blessed to be a BLCian. Being a BLCian is already a wonderful experience by itself. There are so many great activities that the school offers. One of the activities that is still fresh in my mind is the Student Council campaign. In this exercise, I have learned how to communicate properly and to relate to the students of different grade levels. And I was very much elated with their reaction during the campaign period. Somebody asked me why I was not affected when I lost in the election. The answer is very obvious. Whether I win or lose, the most important thing is I gained experience which nobody can take away from us. And that's what I learned here at BLCIS. Humility and grace, win or lose. My dear classmates, as we end this part of our journey, a new chapter of our lives unfolds. Setting our goal is part of this dimension. We should keep the fire burning so as not to lose steam along the way. It is not important whether you end up as second just like me or if you're at the bottom of the class. What is important, at the end of the day, you know how to manage your life. Free from stress, free from pressure. Going back to the phrase, it all starts in one welcome and ends in millions of goodbyes. When I first arrived here in BLCIS, I was a total stranger then. But my classmates gave me that one warm welcome that a transfer needed in order to adjust easily. And have you ever realized that when it's time to leave, one goodbye is not enough? It will take you so many goodbyes before you finally make your move. but you have to move on and move up to the next level. Thank you, and I hope that in my own little way, I have made a mark in your lives. In everything we do, always put God first. This is Renette Beatriz Hernandez Orina, Batch 2014-2015, Class Salutatorian, VLC yan. Welcoming you to VLC